Okay, good afternoon to one and all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So actually today is my first lecture. So as per the Pandharpur pattern in professional education, we call it as a triple PE. My voice is clear at all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As per the triple PE, that is Pandharpur pattern in professional education, the SWERI has a separate pattern, like you might have heard in the Latur pattern, like that. So we have a SWERI pattern. As per that pattern, so during the first lecture, there must be introduction of subject teacher as well as students introduction. Okay. Firstly, I will give my introduction. Then you have to give your introduction by telling your name, full name and address. Okay. So we'll start. I am Professor Yuval Anuse. I have completed my BE Mechanical and ME Mechanical Design Engineering. I have total 12 years of teaching experience and 1 year of industrial experience. So total my experience is 13 years. The subjects taught during my teaching period of 12 years is that for first year basic mechanical engineering, semester 1, you are requested to mute whatever the microphone of your mobile or whatever the device you are using. My first year subjects, whatever the subjects I taught for the first year, the 2 subjects I taught, that is basics of mechanical engineering, and in the second semester, engineering graphics and design, right? So the title is engineering graphics and now title is engineering graphics and design. Whatever the syllabus, 1 or 2 topics are added or some topics are deleted. Okay. So these 2 subjects I taught in the first year from last 12 years. Then for second year mechanical engineering, I taught the subject strength of material, analysis of mechanical element, and for final year, I taught the subject automatic control engineering. Okay, so these 4 subjects I taught in my teaching period. So, and again, I have guided every year I handle 1 or 2 batches of the projects of final year mechanical engineering students. So I have presented 5 papers in the international journal, as well as attended several workshops. Though there is a COVID situation, so we have attended online workshops for upgrading our knowledge, for updating the new technologies, new trends. So from 20 means due to COVID-19, we couldn't attend the workshops or the conferences in the offline mode, but still we have got opportunity to attend the workshops and the conferences in the online mode. So those opportunities we have captured, and we have did the different kinds of workshops as well as kind of trainings. Okay. So because as you know that if the faculties are updated, and then only whatever the technology and the trends, then only the transformation will take place toward the students. Okay. जर फॅकल्टीज अपडेटेड नसतील किंवा ज्या टेक्नॉलॉजी असतील नवीन किंवा नवीन ट्रेंड्स असतील ते तुमच्या पण पास होणार नाहीत. सो फ्रॉम आवर कॉलेज देयर इज a requirement from every staff that they should attend the conferences, workshops, then presenting papers in the international journals. So these activities we participate and complete the workshops in the semesters. Okay, so you should not worry that what about the workshop, sorry, your projects, etc. So from our side we will give the excellent guidance for preparing your projects of final year or third year, right? So this is about my introduction. So in my introduction I forgot to tell one point, that is results. So results of first year subject like basics of mechanical and the engineering graphics. So the result is always more than 90%. If you check the results of previous years, maybe 5 years or 6 years, it is more than 90%. For sometime in sometime 95, 96, 97, 94, 92. Such results are given by the previous batches. So such records is on my account. So let us keep the same enthusiasm and the spirit in the getting the good result from this batch also. Okay, so this is about my introduction. Now one by one we'll start your introduction. You have to unmute your microphone and you have to give your introduction. So tell your full name and your native place. Shall we start? Hello, चालू करायचं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us start from the roll number. Roll number wise we'll give introduction. Roll number 1.
So roll number दिला नाही sir.
नाही दिला?
नाही.
Okay, then how? Okay, we'll apply some logic. We'll go alphabetically. Those students' surname is starting with A. So they have to give introduction.
Hi sir, my name is Anjali Vitkar
Hmm.
and I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, good. Welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Myself,
Sir, my name is
Afroja Shakil
Anthony.
Devre
Wait.
from Pandharpur.
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir. My name is Afroja Shakil Devre. I am
Huh.
from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next. One boy student.
Guys, my name is Mulani and I am from Aklus.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. My name is Sheetal Ghodke. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay,
Hello,
next.
sir. My name is Anuradha Narkedkar. I am from Kurdu.
Okay, welcome.
Hi
Next.
sir. Hi sir, my name is Anuradha Pawar. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. I am Ajit Dada Daigude. I am from Piliu.
Okay, welcome. Next. Next student.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Akshata Pramod Sonone and I'm from Usmanabad.
Welcome. Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Ashwini Kadam. I am from Aznale.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Myself, Arya Jagtap. I am from Tangli.
Okay, welcome.
Suraj, I am from Barsi.
Okay, next.
Hello, sir. I am Sakshi Pawar from Marshalls.
Sakshi, can you repeat?
Hello, sir. I'm Sakshi Pawar from Marshalls.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Myself, Amruta Patil from Kurdwadi.
Okay, next.
Hello, sir. Myself, Rishikesh Patil. I am from Mohol.
Okay, next.
Sir, my name is Pratik Godse. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hi, sir. My name is Omkar Deshmukh from.
Omkarji, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
My name is Omkar Deshmukh from.
From native place? Still your voice is breaking. Can you sit in the where the range is full, network is full? You choose the place where the network is full.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Myself, Omkar Jayantramani. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. I am Aditi Patil. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello sir, I am Prachi Ghodke from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome.
Hello,
Next.
sir. My name is Divya Khadge from Sripur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Myself, Vaishnavi Satish Khone from Kurdwadi.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Myself, Harish Nagarkar from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hi,
sir. My name is Monica Vittal Bhosle. I am from Chinke.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Myself Lakshman Alshetty from Solapur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello sir, myself Mayuri Chavan from Temburni.
Okay, welcome. Next.
I am Dhanashree
Hello,
Ashok
sir.
Thake from Sangolna.
Okay, welcome. Next.
I am Tejaswini Nikam from Mangalvedha.
Okay, next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello. I am
I'm
Sakshi
Trupti
Gaurwar
Govindlikade.
Sakshi, please give your introduction.
I am Sakshi Gaurwar from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hi sir, my
Hello.
name is Rakesh. I am from Pandharpur.
Can you talk loudly so that all can listen? Repeat.
Hi sir, my name is Rakesh Atkale. I am from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello sir, I am Rutuja Tonge from Barshi.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hi sir, I am Ishwari Takankar from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome.
Hello
Next.
sir, I am Prakash Tikte from Barshi.
Prakash.
Tikte from Barshi.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hi sir, my name is Rachna Musare from Barshi.
Okay, welcome. Next. Next.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello, sir. I am Kunal Yadav from Pandharpur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello.
Hello.
So my name is Kamallari Changude. I am from Karmala, Solapur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello sir, I am Sakshi Balasamore from Adikuroli.
Okay, next.
Hi sir, I am Rohit on from Chopadi.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I'm Trupti Govindlikade, Ajnare.
Okay, welcome. Next. Over. Anyone left? Is there any student who has not given introduction?
Hi sir, Sankit Rameshwar. I am from Barshi.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Hello, sir. Yadav from B.
Yes. Go ahead. Yes, your voice is clear. You can go ahead. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I am Vivek Zong. I am from Kolhapur.
Okay, welcome. Next.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Myself Snehal Ingolo Deshmukh from Akluz.
Okay, welcome. Next. Next student. Everybody has given. All have completed with introduction. कौन राहिले का? ठीक है. See, everyone should know their first name. As a teacher, the teacher should call you by your first name and the last name. So henceforth, whenever we will talk each other, so I will take your name, that is first name and the last name. Okay. Now, come to our points. Today we will have the discussion regarding our course. So as I told in the semester 1, I'm going to teach you the subject or the course basic mechanical engineering. Many students from computer engineering, electronics, civil or electrical engineering, they will say, why you are teaching this mechanical engineering subject? We have selected the branch, or we have taken admission to computer engineering, electronics engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering. Then why you are teaching mechanical? Some student might have this question. Is it right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will give the answer of this question later, but definitely this question should come in your mind. So this is by default, this question should be should be in your mind only. As my domain is computer, I'm going to make the career in the computer engineering, electronics engineering, civil engineering. So why are you teaching this course? So that detailed explanation we will give in the next lecture. But today what we'll do, let us understand the to one important term, that is engineering. What is engineering? What is the role of engineer? So that part we will discuss today, right? So have you made any teacher has made discussion about engineering? What is engineering, etc.? Any discussion? जे झाले काय?
Sir, your voice is cracking, sir.
Okay.
No.
Just I will improve. Just a minute. See, when as you choose a very nice and excellent field for your career, right? So engineering is very important and the very excellent, and we can say you can have the number of opportunities in the engineering, right? So first of all, I congratulate to you all for the perfect selection for your career, as a engineering. Okay, I will use in between Marathi or English. Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 50-50 I will go
Yes,
for. आपण इंजिनिअरिंग का शिकायचं आहे आणि का आपण जे सिलेक्ट केलेलं आहे याच्यावर थोडंसं आपण जर समजलं तर पुढच्या गोष्टी एकदम इझी होत जातील. आणि हाच इंजिनिअरचा अप्रोच असला पाहिजे की व्हाय आय एम लर्निंग दिस, हे का शिकायचं आहे, व्हॉट आर द ऍप्लिकेशन्स, याचा पुढे मला फायदा काय आहे. ओके, ते थोडंसं आपल्या मनामध्ये क्वेश्चन्स रेज व्हायला पाहिजे. इफ यू रेज द क्वेश्चन्स, then only you can enjoy, you can get and more interest to learn the new things. Okay, so let us understand, or what are the opinions of the friends. We will take it from your side. You have to give your contribution regarding what is engineering. Now is my voice is clear to all? आवाज येतो क्लिअर माझा आवाज?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
पहिला आपण समजून घेऊया की इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणजे काय असतं. तर अगदी फ्रँकली तुम्ही सांगायचं की इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणजे काय. आपापलं प्रत्येकाचं एक मत, लेट इट बी रॉंग, लेट इट बी करेक्ट, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू लाफ फॉर दिस. जे आपल्या मनात आहे ते आपण थोडंसं शेअर करायला शिकलं पाहिजे. बिकॉज इंजिनिअरिंग इज अ प्रोफेशन वेअर यू हॅव टू कॉन्ट्रीब्युट. ओके, विदाउट कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हॅपन. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मेक द चेंजेस, you have to give the contribution, right? Let it be wrong, let it be correct. You should not bother about the whether whatever I am putting in front of others, it's correct or it's wrong. What you are feeling, that you should express. Let us start some opinions from your end. What is engineering, or what do you mean by engineering? कोण सांगू शकते? Start thinking, what is engineering? Engineering म्हणजे काय? Because you selected this career, so this is the best career, this is the top career, you can say. So what is engineering exactly? कोण सांगेल? Or what we do in engineering generally? Your observations you can have. You can express your observations about engineering. Or is it engineering is nothing but it's a 4 years course and we are going to get the marks 80%, 90% and degree, that's all. Is it the engineering?
No, sir.
So what is engineering?
Engineering is the use of science and maths to design or make things.
Very good, excellent, good, nice contribution. Next, any other? अजून कोण सांगू शकते? From boy side?
Sir, अभियंत्याचा व्यवसाय.
To which kind of business? Hello?
हाँ sir.
You said something. Can you repeat?
अभियंत्याचा व्यवसाय.
Okay. business related to engineering. Okay, but we have to understand, or we have to tell that what is exactly engineering. So one of our student told that what is engineering exactly. So similar to that, what is engineering? Azul? Engineering means what? Go ahead. Hello?
Engineering is a branch of science and technology in which we study machines, engines, structures, and design,
Very good.
etc.
Very good. Very good. Okay, so engineering, as you mentioned, engineering where you are going to apply the scientific principles and the technical information to design, to develop structures, machines, designs, buildings, okay, structures, etc., or the processes, systems. So basically, what engineering is you are applying. तुम्ही काय करताय? Scientific principles apply कर. You learn the mathematics, physics, science, chemistry, etc. So that knowledge, whatever the principles you learn, जे काय तुम्ही principles शिकलात, those you are applying at our real life issues or the real life problems or the systems, and you are innovating something, you are designing something, you are developing something. Okay, so that is what engineering. So if you want to do something, you need to apply you have to follow the scientific approach. You have to apply the scientific principles. You have to see the technical information, and based on that, you are innovating something, you are developing something, you are creating something. Okay, in terms of product, in terms of machines, in terms of structures. Okay, so that is what the engineering. You can take any. Now you are using mobile, you are using laptop. So these devices developed by the engineers only. Am I right? You are using mobile, you are using the different applications.
Yes, sir.
So you learn what are all these, you know, the electronic components in the physics. Okay, you learn chemistry. Okay, all these principles or the information you learn in the basics of sciences, so that you are applying to different kind of real life examples of the real life products or the systems, and you are modifying, you are developing, you are designing. So this is what the engineering. इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये दुसरं काय नसून काय, जे आपण सायन्स शिकलेला असतो, मॅथमॅटिक्स शिकलेला असतो, त्याचं फक्त प्रिन्सिपल्स वापरून, इन्फॉर्मेशन वापरून काहीतरी नवीन तयार करणे, नवीन काहीतरी डिझाईन करणे, नवीन काहीतरी डेव्हलपमेंट करणे, किंवा नवीन काहीतरी प्रोसेस सेट करणे, ह्या ज्या गोष्टी असतात, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज इंजिनिअरिंग. ओके, all are clear with this definition of engineering? There are different definitions of engineering. So whatever the best or the simple definition of engineering that I have expressed in front of you all. Are you clear with this definition of engineering?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now next is question maybe your mind. What is the role of engineer? What is the role of engineer? Engineerचा नेमका रोल काय असतो? What is the job of engineer? What is the role of engineer? कोण सांगेल? Anyone? What is the role of engineer? You just frank opinion you can have. What is the role of engineer? इंजिनियरचा नेमका रोल काय असतो?
Sir, engineers are make our life so much easier and fluent.
Good. Engineers are make our life simple and easy, and make our life very simple. Very good. Good. अजून काय?
Engineers tries to reduce human efforts.
Good. Engineers are developing different kinds of systems, and with the help of systems, automatic systems, and they are reducing the efforts of the human. If at one place 5-10 peoples are working, that if you want to reduce the manpower or labor, so you are adding some different systems, right? And you are reducing the manpower, or you can say efforts, because now we are running in the industry 4.0 this thing. Okay, so present scenario is industry 4.0. Previously it was 3.0, 2.0, 3.0. Now it is 4.0. So that I will explain later. So as per that, we are trying to reduce the efforts of the human interval. We are trying to reduce, okay, by making the systems more and more automatic. That means automation is came into picture, right? Automation is came into the existence of the picture, and we can definitely reduce the efforts as well as the manpower. Okay, very good point. Next. Azun kai? See, the role of engineer we can highlight here is that the role of engineer is to develop the systems, products, okay, or you can say in short, to develop something, it's a role of engineer. To design something, it is a role of engineer. Okay, to modify something, that is also a role of a engineer. Okay, maybe product, systems, whatever it is, whatever you want to do it. So basically, the role of engineer is to solve the problems. Okay, basically to solve the problems by applying all the information study and all that scientific study. So we are appointed to resolve the issues, not to create issues. Okay, so shortly we can say engineers are the problem solver, not problem creator. Are you understanding the sentence? Engineers are therefore solving the problems, not creating the problems. Are you getting? त्यामुळे आपलं थिंकिंग अशी असली पाहिजे की एखादा कुठं प्रॉब्लेम आला तर त्याला सोल्युशन देण्याचा विचार केला पाहिजे. Okay, that is what the engineering. So shortly I can say that is a role of engineer, key role of engineer, to solve the problem. Any kind of problem, if it is there, you should be able to solve it, and we have to go ahead. Right? That's why there's one quote in English: "World is made by engineer." World is made by engineer. जगातली प्रत्येक गोष्ट जर जे काही होत असते, हे त्याच्यामध्ये जी काही किमिया आहे, किमिया ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग ओनली. Okay, many you can see any type of device. Now you are using electronics devices, like it is the chemia of electronics engineers or electronics engineering, right? There are many devices, many applications. Without engineer, it is not possible. Or is it possible by medical persons?
No, sir.
No, because they have not learned what are the curriculum for them. It is there. It is related to the human health and etc. So for you people, you are whatever the curriculum is designed for engineering student, it is purely technical and real world practical applications, practical approach is considered in the curriculum design, right? So that is why what are the students from engineering domain, they really they are getting more and more packages, unbelievable packages engineering students are getting. Okay, if you see the packages to students who are doing MTech, PhD, or maybe BTech, so mostly MTech students, they are getting package of in the crores or in the lakhs. Okay, maybe 20, 50 lakh, 70 lakh, 80 lakh, 90 lakh, such packages engineering graduates are getting. Okay, so this is what if you are capable, if you are perfect in your technical things, you can do anything and your packages will be unbelievable. Okay, so only one profession among the all is engineering, where you can get excellent packages and also kind of a satisfaction. Okay, because your work will be appreciated everywhere. If you contribute, if you work hard, definitely your value will be very high in the society, because societal issues you are solving. So that means you should say it is a great work. You can say it is a contribution of engineer. It is a great work, right? So this is what the somewhat information about engineering and the role of a engineer. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तर आपलं हे
Yes,
नोशन याच्याबद्दलच क्लिअरिटी असली पाहिजे की आपण इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणजे काय आणि इंजिनिअरचं नेमकं काम काय असते. आता तुम्ही जर इन जनरल आपण बघितलं, आपण एखादं सध्या आता बरेचसे सॉफ्टवेअर्स वगैरे येतात, ते सॉफ्टवेअर डेव्हलप करण्याचं काम आहे तो इंजिनियर्स करतात, कॉम्प्युटर इंजिनियर्स करतात, मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर्स करतात, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियर्स करतात. So whenever there's a development, something we are developing, so definitely the contribution of all these such engineers are considered. But the team is there. The team consists of all the kinds of engineers: mechanical, electrical, civil, then computer engineering, IT engineers, chemical engineers. All the engineers are coming together. They are working on the projects, and they are working on that project, and they are developing the entire projects, and they are selling it outside. Okay, so this is what the engineering all about. I hope you are clear with these two terms, engineering and the what is the role of a engineer. Okay. Now next is I will come to my course, basic mechanical engineering. मी मगाशी म्हटलं की मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग का शिकायचं विद्यार्थ्यांनी, कारण तुम्ही घेतलेला जो कोर्स आहे तो कॉम्प्युटर आहे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आहे, सिव्हिल आहे, पण मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग का शिकायचं आहे. ओके, आणि इनिशियल जो वर्ड दिसतो तुमचा काय, बेसिक. बेसिक मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग, इट मीन्स व्हॉट, यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न ऑल द बेसिक थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू द मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग. जे मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंगच्या कन्सर्न ज्या बेसिक गोष्टी आहेत त्या आपल्याला शिकायच्या आहेत. ओके, मग आता हा बेसिक मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणजे काय असतं, तर यू नो दॅट whenever you see the word mechanical म्हणजे काय, आपल्याला फक्त एकच माहिती आहे की मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणलं का मशीन्स, बरोबर आहे, असंच आहे का. मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग म्हणलं की आपण म्हणतो फक्त मशीन्स आहेत.
हो सर.
हा, सो मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग is the mother branch of engineering, where it is very vast actually area, mechanical engineering. So you are learning all the mechanical devices applications. Okay, so what are the basic things related to the mechanical applications or the mechanical devices that you are going to learn in the course basic mechanical engineering. Okay, so this course is introduced in the first year syllabus, and it is applicable or it is common to all engineering students. म्हणजे सर्व इंजिनिअरिंग ब्रांचेस मधल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना हा विषय कंपल्सरी शिकायचा आहे. त्याचं कारण असं आहे, though your branch is electronics computer, you are using mechanical applications like 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler. You can go to your home, that is you are using refrigerator, you are using pressure cooker, so many mechanical devices you are using. Am I right or not? Hello,
Yes.
are you agree on all?
Yes, sir.
You are using mechanical devices, mechanical applications. If you understand the basic principles of all mechanical devices that you are using in your day to day life, जे आपल्या डे टू डे लाईफ मध्ये आपण जे ऍप्लिकेशन्स यूज करतो, डिव्हाइसेस यूज करतो, त्या प्रत्येक डिव्हाइसचे आपल्याला प्रिन्सिपल्स माहित पाहिजे, त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन माहित पाहिजे, त्याचे वर्किंग माहित पाहिजे. हे कशासाठी समजून घ्यायचं आहे, तर आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये जर ऑटोमेशन आणायचं असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये काय जर चेंजेस करायचे असतील, त्याच्यामध्ये काय मॉडिफिकेशन करायचे असतील, काही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मॉडिफिकेशन करायचे असेल, तर यू नीड टू अंडरस्टँड द बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल्स, working, construction details of all mechanical devices. Or sometime whatever the device you are using, maybe AC, air conditioning room you are using,